relative pronouns. We have now which, and we are learning actually adjective clause, isn't it? See guys, which means it could be जो, it could be जिसे, जिसको, everything is which. Like for human beings, we have two items. One is who, another is whom. But for non-living and animals, we have only one option, that is which. Means we can put which plus verb, and we can also put which plus subject plus verb. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes.
human, for human being, like when we said who, there was who plus verb. वो लड़की जो आती है, the girl who comes, you know. And for whom we had another extra subject. Do you remember? वो लड़की जिससे मैं प्यार करता हूँ, the girl whom I love.
Oh my lord. Yes,
But
sir. Yes, sir.
but here we have only which. If I say जो कुत्ता भौंकता है, the dog which
Dog
barks,
which barks. Dog which barks.
और वो कुत्ता जिसको मैं पीटता हूँ, the dog which I beat.
The dog which I beat.
So in both the cases we have only one relative pronoun, which is which.
Yeah.
Which. So now let's start some sentence making. If I say कि वो पेन जो तुम्हारे बेड पर है वो महंगा है. अब ये
The pen which is on the bed is expensive. On the bed, it is mine. It is expensive. Yeah.
so we'll say the pen,
Is expensive.
the
The
pen,
pen which
The pen which is on the bed
which is
is expensive.
is on your bed
on
सर
your
दो
bed
बार यूज होगा.
is expensive. Is expensive.
So here
एक
if you
is
see the
और is
sentence,
expensive.
here if you see the sentence, so can you feel that we have
That
broken the sentence and put the adjective clause between them?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It means this is the main subject and this is the predicate, right?
Yes,
Yes,
is
sir.
And
right,
we
sir.
have put this extra information, and this information is about
Upward stand.
the pen.
Pen.
The pen. This is about the pen. That's why it is adjective, because we are giving extra information about a noun. So whoever
Yes,
or
sir.
whichever gives information about noun is called
No,
adjective.
no.
Now, as you can see, is here. Do you think that you can put extra pronoun here like it is, this is, or that is?
No
Yes,
need.
sir.
Sir.
No need, because
No.
this is the wife of
Predicate of the
the
pen.
pen. So,
Pen. Yes, sir.
Pen.
It's
Yes,
expensive.
sir.
fair enough.
The pen is expensive.
Yeah. Now, so this is one style. Now, if I say give me the pen, and now I have to give one extra information about the pen. So where should I put which? On the right hand
Which?
side of the pen, of course, you know.
Yes.
So give me the pen जो तुम्हारी जेब में है,
Which I want.
which
Your
is.
pocket.
In your pocket.
Which is in your pocket. Which is in your pocket.
So see, this which is in your pocket is an adjective clause or not? Isn't it?
So it's
Yes,
adjective
sir.
clause.
Adjective clause.
Yes, sir.
Giving extra information about pen.
Pen.
Because if somebody is saying give me the pen, that is okay, pen, I will give you the pen, but which pen are you talking
Which
about?
one?
अरे
Which
वही
is in your
पेन
pocket.
जो तुम्हारी जेब में, the pen which is in your pocket, like this. Okay. Don't don't give those things. And now I have to give one information about those things. So where should I put?
After think.
है ना? Don't
Which
give
you
those
have.
things जो सेहत के लिए हानिकारक हैं, which are
Which is not good for health.
harmful
Yeah,
for
health.
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 Don't give those things which are harmful for health अपने बच्चों को, to your.
To your children.
So now I have put which are harmful for health here, and then I have said to your children. If I say don't give those things
Those things to your children.
to your children
To your children.
Which is
which are
harmful for health.
harmful for health. So
This is
don't you
another way.
think that this information seems to be about children?
Yes, sir.
Because this is on the right hand side of
No,
children.
sir, those things.
नाउन के बाद जो ये कंजक्शन है ना, इसी के बारे में.
It means
Yes, sir.
the information has been put on the right hand side of the wrong noun.
Right hand side. Yes, sir.
On the wrong noun. This information is about children or about things.
The things.
So where shall we keep this full yellow box?
After things.
After things. It means the upper sentence is correct, the below sentence
Yes,
is
sir.
wrong. What did you understand by this? What I am trying to
Yes, sir,
say
yeah.
is that for you
Wrong.
in speaking, this sentence might sound good to you,
But it is wrong.
but it is wrong because you are giving the extra information. So you are supposed to put the extra information on the right hand side of the thing which you want to talk about. You know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here you are not talking about children, you are talking about
Children.
things.
Things.
Are children harmful for health?
Yes.
Things.
No, things are harmful.
Things are harmful for health. So this extra information must be on the right hand side of
Things.
things, not children. But it may be the style of speaking. No matter who catches, who notices, nobody notices. But my job is to tell you the fact.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay. Don't put the cup on the table जो कभी भी टूट सकता है.
Don't put the cup which
Which is broken.
can break
Anytime.
anytime.
break.
Which can break
Which will-
anytime
Oh,
on the table.
this can be broken anytime.
Anytime.
It
Broken.
can be
Break.
broken.
So the extra, now listen to me carefully. The extra information is which can break anytime. If by mistake I put the extra information beside the cup, suppose I put it here, don't put the cup which can break anytime, and here I say on the table.
This information is about a cup.
On the table.
Yes.
So now
Yes.
did you understand what happened?
Yes, sir.
Now what I'm talking about which can break anytime? Table or cup?
Cup. Cup.
Cup, sir.
It proves that on the right hand side of any noun, if you put the adjective clause, it will start speaking about the same noun. Yes or no?
That. Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
noun.
So if by mistake you say don't put the cup which can break anytime on the table, it means this information is about the cup, not about the table.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It means person
Yes,
will think that, oh my god, cup can break anytime. You know.
Yes, sir.
But in my heart, I want to talk about the table that can break anytime. It means the position of this adjective clause must be on the right hand side of the table.
Noun.
Yeah, noun. The noun that we want to talk about, right?
Yes, sir.
It means here the information
Is about the table.
is about the cup.
Oh, sorry. Cup.
Here
It's
is
about
about
the
the
cup.
cup.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, here
Yes,
about
sir.
the cup.
Yeah. And if I have to talk about table, if I have to talk about the table, so
We can use
the
which
clause
after the table.
क्लोज
the
टेबल के
clause
बाद
must be on the
Yes,
right
on
hand
Right
side
side of the table.
right
of
side
the
of
the table.
table. So I can copy the sentence, Control C, Control V,
Control V.
Control X,
Mm.
and Control V,
Control P.
and full stop. Here we go. Now, now the information is about the
Table.
table, not about the cup.
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 Okay, fine. वो कुत्ता, the dog, जो रोज भौंकता है,
Which barks daily?
Which
barks
the dog which barks daily.
Is my neighbor's dog.
lives मोहन के बगल में रहता है.
Lives
Lives
next to Mohan's.
next to the
Wait,
Mohan.
एक the dog
Lives-
which barks daily मोहन के बगल में बैठा हुआ है, is sitting
Sitting
Sits
beside
beside to Mohan.
beside
Next to Mohan.
okay next to Mohan. So the extra information is which barks daily, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
yes.
Now see the magic. The dog is sitting
Sitting next to Mohan.
next to Mohan,
Big box day.
which barks daily. Now do
Mohan
you understand who is barking?
Mohan.
Yes, sir. Mohan is barking.
Mohan is barking.
Mohan is barking.
So in spoken English, you might say anything, but when you write it and send any email or something to someone, then it might sound very weird.
Yes, sir.
It means you are giving the extra information about Mohan and claiming Mohan to be like a dog because he barks, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It sounds very bad. But how could Mohan bark? The dog is sitting next to Mohan, which barks daily. Maybe Mohan is suffering from rabies. You know, you want to say
Maybe
this?
yeah.
बट
Yes,
सर
sir.
ऐसे
Sir,
जैसे सभी को
suppose
पता है
if
कि
we
विच
don't
तो
use which, suppose we don't use which, then can we say like the dog is sitting next to Mohan barks daily? Is it a right sentence?
No, still you can't say.
It means
Still you can't say.
meaning नहीं निकलती.
If you say barks daily, here whatever you put here, it might sound as if Mohan is going to do that. The thing is that.
Okay.
So you have to.
She say without conjunction which.
If you want to say without which, you can say the dog barks daily is sitting next to Mohan.
Next to Mohan.
This
Yes.
is correct.
Okay.
Suppose you don't want to use which, you want to just talk like a phrase. So this is
Yeah.
a phrase. You can use phrase. The dog here. The phrase is this: barks daily. You know, this is the phrase.
So we have to use it after dog.
Yes, after dog. In spoken, you can do anything, but it can convey very wrong meaning. You know. I always say like my ways are so funny. If I say like after getting married, if a girl puts sindoor in Kanpati, there is no problem. It is her choice. But at the time of marriage, she had to put in Bijmang. You know, that is the rule. That is the tradition.
Mhm.
You cannot go beyond this.
But sir, it is a simple sentence, not a simple indefinite sentence. The dog the barks daily is sitting next to Mohan.
अगर हमें ना हो कि ये वही कुत्ता है जो रोज मोहन के पास बैठता है, इसको सर द सेम के साथ बनाइए ना प्लीज.
The same.
यस सर.
This is the same dog which sits beside the Mohan.
When I teach you,
Which is sitting
when I
beside the Mohan?
see, don't use the same right now because the same always takes that instead of which. I don't want to talk about the same right now. When I teach you that, then I'll teach you. Don't worry. Talk about
Okay.
which only. See, what I want to convey is that adjective clause, no matter next to what noun you put, whichever noun you put, I mean on the right hand side of whichever noun you put the adjective clause, it will start modifying the same noun. This is what I was saying. So in writing, it is good. You can think when to write, what to write. But in speaking, it is very difficult to control. Sometimes it's very difficult to control. You put the information at last. Sometimes it happens like put the information at last. So there is no solution to this. Either you speak correct or you speak wrong. So if I say the laptop is beside my wife, which is very expensive. Wrong or right?
Wrong.
Yes, you're wrong, sir.
So this is wrong.
The laptop के
Correct
साथ रहेगा
sentence,
which
correct sentence maybe right laptop which is
laptop which is
very
very
The
expensive.
laptop which is
हाँ,
It's
is
beside my wife.
my wife. Yeah.
So which is very expensive is the extra
Wife.
information, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
About the laptop.
Now
About laptop.
But here is about the wife.
it is modifying wife. Now if somebody says that this is wife, but we are putting which, for human being we need who, that is okay. Having said that, whatever you are saying here is not modifying your laptop, is unfortunately modifying your wife, though the sentence is wrong. Wife needs, if you have to really modify your wife, if your wife is really expensive, put here who is very expensive. Okay. So
Correct.
the very first thing, beside the wrong noun you have put the adjective clause. Second, if you really want to modify this noun, then change the relative pronoun. Put the exact relative pronoun which a human being
Yes,
takes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
So it means, it proves that this sentence is wrong.
Is wrong.
Totally wrong. Yes, sir.
So the correct sentence should be the laptop,
The laptop which is very expensive
which is very expensive, is
beside my wife. Beside my wife.
beside my wife. This is correct. Now in speaking, what you speak, how you speak, whether you have any habit or not, nobody knows. Any mistake can take place, in while you speak English.
Yes, sir.
While speaking, yes.
The laptop which is very expensive. This is the extra information about the laptop. That is why
Laptop.
it is just next to the laptop only. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. I'm laughing because of this sentence. The tea is next to the girl which is hot. No.
Who is
So the tea which is hot is next to the
which is
girl.
hot?
To say about girls, so we can use who.
Yeah.
Who is what? Then girl.
And sir,
About
who will
girl.
replace which for girl?
Yes, yes. So if unfortunately if you had put who here, everybody would have thought the information is about girl.
Girl.
Isn't it?
Girl.
Yes, sir.
Just because of which the person can just ponder over that either it is a relative pronoun mistake or this is the noun mistake, position mistake, wanted to describe tea, unfortunately put beside girl, So here which is hot
Yes, sir.
is not actually the modifier to the girl, it is the modifier to the tea.
T.
Tea.
Yes, sir.
but
सर
tea
अगर
which
इसको
is
ऐसे
hot is
करेंगे
next
ऐसे
to.
करेंगे द टी इज नेक्स्ट टू द गर्ल हु इज हॉट, तो हु इज हॉट गर्ल के बारे में मतलब हम कह सकते हैं यहाँ पे, लेकिन बाकी सेंटेंस तो ठीक रहेगा ना?
yes, yes, 100%. If I just put here who, this information
अबाउट द गर्ल,
is only about girl,
यस सर,
only about girl, because you cannot say who to T, you know,
या यस सर,
and here you cannot say which to
Yes,
girl.
sir.
The problem is this. Okay, but hot is such a word which can describe both, either girl or T.
यस सर,
So this is wrong. So the correct sentence should be the tea
द टी इज
Which is
which is
hot
hot
हॉट
is
is next to
Sir.
the.
next to
इज
the
नेक्स्ट टू
girl.
गर्ल.
Whenever I write girl, I happen to write grill. I don't know why. So I have to write girl. Oh god. Fair enough, guys. Okay, which is hot? Eh? The tea is hot.
The girl is hot.
Now, if I say, suppose I want to give an information about the boy. My intention is to give the information about the boy. And if I say the boy is talking to a girl who is stupid. In my heart,
Wrong.
it is for a
God.
boy.
Girl,
Wrong sentence.
But
Girl.
unfortunately, what I did,
About girl.
girl is
About
stupid.
girls.
so now is it proven or not that
Sir,
whichever,
it is proven.
whichever the noun you want to describe, the adjective clause must be next to the same noun, not the other noun.
No,
Okay?
yes sir, yes sir, yes
If I
sir.
put this
जिसके
information,
जिसकी बीवी उसी के साथ ना?
yes. So if I put this information next to girl, though I want to talk about boy, but how other people, how my listeners are thinking, or they would think that I'm talking about girl. Right?
About girl. Girl.
It means unfortunately I have given the wrong information.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So it proves. So here, who is stupid gives the information
Information of girl.
about
About girl.
the girl.
Yes sir.
And let me put this into inverted commas, so that you can understand that I'm talking about this particular statement, that who is stupid,
About
this
girl.
gives the information about the girl. So if I want to give the same information about
the boy.
the boy instead of the girl, then we should
We should
put the
put the relative
adjective clause
adjective,
on the right hand side.
right?
Right hand side
Boy.
Boy.
Of the noun.
of the
Noun.
Noun.
Boy.
of the boy.
Boy.
Of the boy.
Of the noun of the noun. एक minute. Of the noun which is boy.
Hmm.
So how to say this?
Okay.
Control C, Control V,
P. Control P.
Control X.
X.
The
Space,
boy. The
Control
boy.
V.
Yes sir. Who is stupid is talking to a girl.
There we go. Now if I say the boy who is stupid is talking to a girl, it shows that the stupid
The boy
person
is
is
stupid.
only boy,
Is boy.
not the girl.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
And if I say the same thing, Control C, Control V, the boy who is stupid is talking to a girl जिसको मैं पसंद करता हूँ, whom I प्यार करता
Whom
हूँ.
I
Oh my
love.
God.
Whom I
my
like.
God.
Whom I love.
Isn't it two extra informations in the same sentence?
About girl.
So now, whom I love is for boy or girl?
Girl.
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 It is for girl. So now you are getting how cool the clauses are.
Yes,
Too
sir.
close, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in one particular sentence, I have used 2 times adjective clause and 1 time, of course, principal clause.
Yes, sir.
So this is.
सर ऐसे लगा सकते हैं 2 times हम ये adjective clause.
Of course, dear. Why not? The boy who is
Okay.
stupid is talking to a girl whom I love. Whom I love. Now, which has been in my heart since I saw her very first time. See the power of clause. See.
Yes, sir. See the power of you, sir. सर सर मुझे ये बताइए जरा मतलब इसके बाद ना जैसे हमने कंप्लीट किया ये सेंटेंस फर्स्ट टाइम तक अगर इसके बाद हमें मतलब बॉय के बारे में और इन्फॉर्मेशन मतलब याद आ गई तो कैसे देंगे कोई मतलब प्रपोशन जोड़ के
Yeah,
Apologies,
maybe.
sir.
And when sometimes you can put and also. And is also that is also clause. That is fanboys clause.
Yes.
So you can put fanboys also.
Yeah.
But that we will talk later. First, we are talking about that. How many times have I used adjective clause? Just see this.
Yes, sir.
3 times.
Huh?
3 times.
3 times I used. So, which has been in my heart since I saw her very first time? This is also an information, but about what?
Both girl.
About love.
About
Love.
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 About love.
Yes, love.
The girl has not in my heart since I saw her. The love has been in my heart since I saw the girl. I can write since I saw the girl very first time. It means here this information is about boy. Whom I
Yes.
love is about girl. And which?
Girl, yes.
Because I am saying which.
Okay, love के बारे में.
So of course I am talking about love. So like this, if you want, we can play with these phrases.
Clauses.
And
Yes, sir. This is very
this
good.
and this is only one sentence because one full stop means one sentence. See?
Yes, sir.
So clauses are used to combine some scattered,
Some
thrown,
sentence.
small, childish sentences into one major big sentence.
Sentence, yes, sir.
That's why it is called complex sentence. What is the extra name of the
Yes,
sentence?
Complex.
Sentence.
So always remember that noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause
Adverb
are
clause.
called complex
Complex.
sentence. Very, very important. Complex. The name itself says complex. Oh my God, complex. Like sometimes it happens like you may have seen if you see a building and you say this is Radha complex, Krishna complex, and in that
Yes, sir.
yeah, and in that complex you might find so many offices, shops, blah blah, kind of shopping mall, kind of complex. So that's the reason, as in that Flana complex, you can see many rooms, many offices. Similarly, in complex sentences, you might get many sentences, small, broken sentences combined together. Now, are some people able to understand the power of clause that they always hate?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is very beneficial.
Very bad. If you get the exact command on it,
Right.
Yes, sir.
and
नहीं तो पता चला डॉग के बारे में बोल रहे हैं तो बॉय के बारे में बोलने लगे.
and you get command only once you practice every day, and clauses require written practice so much, rather than speaking.
Yes, sir. I have noticed, sir.
Yeah, so we have to write Now I think you should start writing essay or letters. This is the time.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the time for writing. Like suppose you have knowledge. See, without knowledge you can't write any essay, or any paragraph.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So first gather some knowledge. Like you have some knowledge about Kashmir, and you want to write something about Kashmir. That what is Kashmir? What type of people live there? What kind of things are there to visit? Then
Yes,
you can
sir.
create. So this is the golden time to write any essay letter, especially paragraph or stories. Like you're talking about something like there once upon a time there was a beautiful girl and once I went to meet her. Suppose you're creating a story. In that story also you can use some clauses to give extra information.
Once upon
Yes, sir.
time, I watch videos on YouTube, and I saw awesome sir, and
Like
he was very good sir, and I got his number.
suppose it says that once upon once upon a time I went to a park, and suppose I wrote park and now I want to put extra information about the park. So can't I put which here? Of course I can.
Yes, sir. Which was very enormous.
Which was enormous, and known for
Different
Couples.
kind of flowers.
known for couples. Okay, known for couples meeting.
Couples
So see, extra
meeting.
information. This much extra information has been given just about park. See,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
this is the magic of clause. So can you imagine good writing without clauses? I don't think so.
No, sir. So,
No, sir.
Somehow you have to put relative pronoun. Somehow you have to use phrases also. I'm just talking about clauses. After that, I'll talk about phrases too.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes we don't use relative pronoun, but we give extra information without any relative pronoun, but in the form of phrases like adjective phrase, prepositional
Hmm.
phrase, such
Right.
phrases.
yes, sir.
So this is the magic. Fine, guys. So now, just give me 1 minute break. Somebody has come. Just a minute.
Sentences फ्लो से बनते हैं,
Please mute yourself, guys.
उनको कम हाँ वो कॉम्प्लेक्स
उन्हें
हाँ बनते हैं
Complex
complex
Sita
sentence
मैम
कहते हैं.
म्यूट कीजिएगा प्लीज.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself, guys. I'm going to translate this. See, the question of this guy is that can we reduce which and speak like a phrase? Is it the question?
Yes, sir.
See, guys. जो sentences, the sentences clause से बनते हैं, which are made with the help of clauses. उन्हें कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कहते हैं,
Or called.
are called complex sentences, clauses.
सर यहाँ पे हमने बनाया था बाय द यूजिंग,
Okay,
तो ऐसे ही बन सकता है.
yes, you can use.
तो
Now,
प्लेन में
And
कैसे
which
बने
are made
without-
की
without
जगह
clause?
active बोलना चाह रहे थे, which make. Someone was saying which make. Is
हाँ
that
सर
correct?
इसकी जगह.
I have understood the question. Now it's my turn to answer. Now let me do it the way I want. Okay. So which are made with the help of clauses. This is the extra information, isn't it? Okay. Now the problem is, if somebody said that, can we remove this which are and all, and can we make normal active sentence?
Yes, sir.
So make sure, guys, there is one note. When you make any active sentence, an active sentence, your subject
Need
becomes the doer,
yes.
which is not possible,
Now not from
not possible in this case, because the sentences
is receiver, not the doer.
is the subject, isn't it? Is the subject,
Yes.
but how can it be the doer? इंसान है ये, can it be the doer?
नो सर।
Cannot make.
No, sir. No, sir.
सेंटेंस को बनाया जा सकता है, सेंटेंस कैसे खुद को बना देगा, किसी को बना देगा? तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो
ओके सर, आई गॉट इट।
समझे? फाइन गाइस, सो इट इज गुड टू यूज पैसिव. नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट. Okay. My son couldn't complete the task. जो उसे करना ही था. Now, जो उसे करना ही था.
Which he had to.
He had done.
तो which he had to do.
What would
Which he had to do.
done.
Which he had to do is the extra information, isn't it?
यस सर।
So if I put my son, which he had to do, is it right? Hmm?
Wrong.
नो
No,
सर।
sir.
So now I think needless to say the position of clause the guys must have understood very well. Haven't you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good one. Fine guys. Now coming to next level, next point. This point is called whose. Whose means kiska. This is for human being. But for non-living it is still what? Which.
Which.
Sometimes in old English of which is also there. Of which. It depends whether you speak or not, but which is generally used. This is for non-living and animals. Suppose if I say वो लड़की जिसके पापा एक पुलिस ऑफिसर है, वो मेरी दोस्त है. The girl.
The girl
whose father is a police officer is my friend.
Is my friend.
Is my friend.
Now the information is about the girl because the information is, first turn the audio off.
Yes,
Somebody's
sir.
audio is very bad. The information is that father is the police officer, but this father belongs to whom? Belongs to the
Girl.
girl. Isn't it?
Girl.
So if I put
Yes,
whose
sir.
here, then the father is of the girl. If I put this sentence beside any other noun, then this father will become the father of that noun, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I say that
And more information
the girl,
about the police officer.
see, in my heart, I have an information about the girl, but by mistake I am putting that information beside any other noun. By mistake, but in my heart it is about girl. So if I say the girl loves a boy whose father is a police officer. Now keep your hand on your heart and let me know what information do you get.
About the boy.
About boy.
Yes, sir.
About the boy.
About girl.
Now tell
About the
me,
boy.
Boy's
Yeah.
father is a police officer.
Yes.
Boy father. boy's father is a police
is a
officer.
police officer.
But in my heart, what I was thinking?
About the
Girl's
girl.
father
police
was a police
officer.
officer.
So suddenly,
Hmm.
just by changing the position, I have changed the
Girl's
designation of
father.
father also. I mean, like designation. I mean, the father has replaced from girl to boy, isn't it? It's a big deal.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes, sir.
only girl's father was the police officer, and just because of my English mistake, I have made this boy's father also a police officer. Maybe the boy's father
Yes,
is a
sir.
farmer. Who knows?
Right.
Yes, sir.
You know.
Hmm.
So your one mistake can
Yes.
do dramatical changes. You know.
Guide us wrong.
So this is the thing. So here the information is about the boy, isn't it? About the boy.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And if I say the same, but if I say the girl, now I put who's here. Whose father is a police
Police officer.
officer. Loves a boy. So here I
Yes.
am giving the information about the girl.
Girl.
Okay. Here the information is about the girl. See the magic. Okay.
Yes,
If I
sir.
say the lady, okay, and if I say whose spouse is so talented, always talks to someone. If I say the lady always
It's so talented. Yes. Hmm.
talks to someone whose spouse is so talented. Here I have put spouse. Spouse is a common noun. Spouse means Jivan Sathi. It could be boy,
Yes,
girl,
sir.
it does not matter. So deliberately I have put this word. So if I say this extra information, whose spouse is so talented, if I put this information next to lady, it means this information belongs to whom? Belongs to lady?
Yes, sir.
It belongs to
It
you.
means that this lady has a partner who is so talented, isn't it?
Talented.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And this lady talks to someone, maybe anybody, she
Hmm.
talks.
Yes, sir.
And here the lady talks to someone, who someone? वो someone
Someone.
जिसकी
हाँ, वो suppose.
जिसकी बीवी
This spouse
talented
is so talented.
और जिसका पति who someone could be anyone. Someone is also not known. It could be boy, girl, anyone, you know.
Yes, sir.
And spouse is also not so much clear. It could be male, could be female.
No, boy, male and
Husband and
female.
wife.
It's a common noun.
It is related to someone.
Yeah. So if I put this information next to someone, this information is related to someone, isn't it?
Yes.
Someone. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So is it kind of crystal clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lucid explanation has been given. Good one. Lucid.
There were you everywhere. Be clear. Everything will be clear. Yes, sir.
No problem.
But lucid meaning?
Lucid means neat and clean, clear.
Yes, sir.
Lucid. Check the word lucid. Check the word on Google whether it means something or not.
सर इसमें अपोजिशन क्लोजेस भी है ना सर?
So lucid means clear, eh?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
and yes, sir, that's right. First.
You understood one new word as well. Good one. Good one. Keep it up.
So you spoke a sentence before some time. Coming to the point, ऐसे. So what is the meaning of that? Coming to आते हुए.
This is there are some styles of speaking, like coming to the point. To my surprise,
Oh,
to my amusement, uh, truth to be told, you know,
Don't put around the bush.
to be honest. These are the these are such expressions which are spoken before you start any sentence. Like
okay.
you want to say something and you're saying, to be honest, sometimes you say like this, to be honest, I'm saying this. Truth to be told, it means कि how to say in Hindi कि सच कहूँ तो
सच कहूँ तो.
सच कहूँ तो एंड टू माई अम्यूजमेंट और टू माई सरप्राइज, हाय तौबा मैं तो चकित ही रह गई जब ऐसा हुआ, समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो कमिंग टू द पॉइंट कि अगर मैं पॉइंट पे आऊँ तो वही सेम पॉइंट पर आते हुए पॉइंट पर आकर इट्स लाइक. और यू कैन से, आई मीन दीज आर द स्टार्टर्स, before main course, these are the starters.
Yes,
like,
sir.
Like the thing is that, some people say the thing is that, some people say as a matter of fact,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's get started.
Sometimes you say, what I want to say is, and this is noun clause, this is noun clause. You
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir. Noun clause.
Some people say, all I want to say is, some people say all you need to do is,
All I can say.
all I can say is, and this is noun clause, and in advanced English this is called cleft sentences. Have you heard about cleft sentences?
Yes, sir.
These are cleft
No,
sentences.
sir.
Okay, later I'll teach.
जोर देना किसी चीज पे.
Fine, guys. So we were talking about whose. Now let's talk about any animal. Like वो कुत्ता जिसकी एक टांग टूटी हुई है,
जिसकी एक कुत्ती मार गई.
वो कुत्ता जिसका एक टांग टूटा हुआ है, जिसका अच्छा
कुछ भी चलेगा सर.
यहाँ कुत्ता की जगह ए हटा दूं, कुछ और कर दूं.
जिसकी एक टांग सर,
कुत्ती कुत्ती चलेगा तो कुत्ती है तो जिसकी चलेगा, कुत्ता है तो जिसके चलेगा.
ओके.
टांग के लिए जिसकी ना.
और लाइक
टांग के लिए
वो कुत्ता जिसका एक
गीता
टांग,
मैम प्लीज म्यूट कीजिए बिकॉज आपका ऑडियो बड़ा अजीब, मतलब जैसे लग रहा है गाड़ी चल रही.
वो कुत्ता जिसकी एक टांग टूटी हुई है वो भौंक रहा है. द डॉग
The dog.
The dog.
Which one leg?
With the leg.
Which one leg is
One leg is broken.
Oh, this is
No,
Geeta.
which नहीं who जाना है.
अच्छा, can you make one sentence, guys? कि ये गीता है जिनका ऑडियो खराब है. Come on, use clause here.
There is a Geeta.
This is Geeta. This is Geeta.
It is Geeta.
Whose audio is
so bad.
bad.
whose voice? Whose mic is
Whose
not
audio and
clear?
whose voice is bad.
Whose audio?
Whose audio is creating problem.
Yes.
Whose a leg is broken.
Okay. So now,
Breaking.
so the dog. Now you cannot say whose to a dog, so you can say either which, or sometimes
Which
people
of
say of
which.
which. The dog
The dog which of
One leg is broken,
The
is
dog which one leg is
broken.
is barking.
Broken. Is barking.
broken.
टूटी हुई ना, broken.
Is barking.
वो is barking.
Okay.
Okay. Like is. Okay. This is the extra information. And see the mistake. If I say the dog is barking.
Is born.
near the table. Which
Which, हाँ, yes sir, which one leg is broken?
now see the now what are you
Table की
talking
कुर्सी,
about?
ये
Table.
table
Sir,
Table.
we are talking about table.
Isn't
About
it?
table.
Which one leg is broken?
So see that in your heart you want to give an extra information about the dog, but by mistake you put this here
By
and
mistake.
people understood that you're talking about table, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो भैया अपनी अपनी वाली को अपने बगल में रखिए.
Yes sir. किसी के साथ भाग जाएगी.
Yeah. Superb guys. Super.
Sorry, यहाँ नहीं होता.
Okay.
कश्मीर में ज्यादा होता है.
अरे. Fine guys. So this is all about. Now your relative pronoun finished, only that is remaining. Let me tell you guys that if you want to learn, okay. If you don't want to learn, still it is okay, because that is a peculiar relative pronoun. Peculiar मतलब ये हटके है, you know, थोड़ा
विचित्र,
विचित्र है.
strange.
This is peculiar. ये विचित्र है. It is rarely used or taught. शायद ही पढ़ाया जाता है या यूज किया जाता है. हालांकि मैं यूज करता हूँ. बड़े बड़े बॉलीवुड स्टार्स यूज करते हैं. दे यूज.
Can be used for human as well as
Yes.
animal.
यस, ह्यूमन, एनिमल, सबके साथ यूज होता है. इसीलिए ना बहुत विचित्र है. तो आई टीच ओनली ऑन द डिमांड ऑफ स्टूडेंट. कोई स्टूडेंट कहता है, अरे सर अच्छा खासा
Teachers,
हु
sir.
चल रहा था.
No, no, sir. Please teach us.
Yes,
सर ये
sir.
उसके लिए भी है ना, एक कुत्ता मतलब एक जानवर और एक ह्यूमन के लिए भी डैट लगता है ना.
3-4 पॉइंट्स आर देयर. तो ये आप
Yes,
अभी
sir.
तो नहीं, तो कल ही हो पाएगा. आई एम टोटली लेट.
सर और अपोजिशन क्लोज जो है उसमें और इसमें फर्क क्या है वो भी समझा दीजिए सर.
पोजीशन क्लोज. ओ एपोजिशन. ओके.
यस सर, अपोजिशन.
हाँ, that I will talk. Fine guys, so this is done. I'm sending you